So we're here today at Christiana Hospital, longtime customer of compressed air equipment. I believe it's been about 17 years almost that we've been servicing these guys. We're installing the second set of Christiana KRSP air compressors today. The first set we installed about 3 months ago and had great success with them. Today we're installing the second set here in the power plant. When you're talking critical applications in industrial air compressors, this is about as critical as it gets. In a hospital, you have to have multiple redundancy in your air system, and the testament that the first set of Christiana machines that we put in, as far as the reliability goes, and the customer is tickled with them, they bought the second pair for the power plant. So the reliability factor is super important in an application like this. So we put the best machine in here that we could for that purpose. So they're going to get a lot of years of reliable service out of these things.